How to change delivery time in Grabfood. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the delivery time in Grabfood. First, open the Grab application on your mobile device. Next, choose a restaurant from the list where you would like to order food. Then, select the items you wish to order. You will notice two options, Standard and Saver. Tap on one of them to adjust the delivery time. Afterward, modify the delivery time by selecting the preferred day and date. That is how you can change the delivery time in Grabfood. You can easily set this to have it delivered on your preferred time. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.